Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you today? I hope you're always good and healthy in this condition. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Krisyanti Dewi from Forbes Tourism Business Management in Bali State Polytechnic. Well, in this video, I would like to make a beverage. The name is Dalgona Coffee Matcha Latte. So why I choose to make Dalgona Coffee Matcha Latte? Because this drinks is popular in the young peoples. And also the peoples like the combination of matcha and coffee. So, are you curious how to make it? Keep watching and let's get started. So, before we start to make Dalgona Coffee Matcha Latte, we must prepare the ingredients and also the equipments. The ingredients that we need are hot water, instant matcha powder, sugar, instant coffee powder, ice cube, and milk. And for the equipments that we need are big glass for making the Dalgona coffee, small glass for making matcha drink, serving glass for serving the beverage, scissor for open the coffee and matcha powder, whisk for beat the coffee until foamy, tablespoon for measuring spoon and also stirrer, teaspoon as measuring spoon. Let's make it. Alright, the first step is open the matcha powder and pour the matcha powder into the glass. And then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and add 5 tablespoons of hot water. Stir it until well blended. After the sugar is dissolved, put aside. The next step is open 3 sachets coffee powder. And then pour the coffee powder into the glass. And then add 3 teaspoons of sugar. And then add 3 teaspoons of hot water. Mix it until the coffee is foamy. Use the whisk. It takes around 1 until 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Until the texture like this, it has done. Take out and put aside. And the next step is prepare the serving glass and then pour the matcha drink into the serving glass. And add ice cube. Add ice cube until it fills the glass. And then, make a layer by pouring the milk slowly. Pouring the milk around 100 ml. And then, pour the Dalgona coffee on top layer. Make a layer using a spoon. And then arrange the Dalgona coffee by spoon.
A few minutes later.
The Dalgona coffee matcha latte is ready to serve.